we'll see the answer in the election day sa Pasig, and that should serve as a stern warning for those running or planning to run na ang pagdurusa ng mga vulnerable, may kapansanan, kababaihan, yung marginalized, ay walang bahagi sa biro. Hindi siya punchline ng isang biro.
A day after a show cause order was served before Pasig congressional candidate Ian Sia, DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian stressed that while Sia already apologized, it is unacceptable to make fun of the vulnerable, including single mothers, PWDs, and women. For Gatchalian, campaign sorties really test the abilities of a candidate to entertain voters, but not in a way that capitalizes on another person's struggle.
Ang eleksyon hindi naman tungkol sa biroan eh. Ang eleksyon ay tungkol sa ano magagawa natin para sa kanila, para sa mga botante. In this particular case, I'm sure, alam ko yung tinutukoy ni Ariel, nag-apologize na naman. So we leave it at that. Perfect timing nga in the sense na maghahalalan. So let's just leave the voters of Pasig, let the voters of Pasig decide.
In a presser Friday, Sia took full responsibility over his remarks and said he understands the plight of single parents. On the same day, COMELEC iterated their stand that sexually charged jokes have no place in democratic elections. COMELEC Chair George Garcia also reminded other candidates that the Commission will spare no time in performing its mandate and imposing sanctions on those who will violate the election code.
Papayag na may mga bastusan dito sa ating pong kampanyahan. Sinabi na natin, winarningan na natin ang lahat, national man or local candidates, walang bastos sa kampanyang ito.
Meanwhile, Gatchalian reminded candidates never underestimate a voter's thoughts, especially on remarks that involve them. Ivy Reyes, Billionaire News Channel.